Frank, Stonelink Property Management. We're at 76 Turner Street, Unit 2, Attleboro, Massachusetts. It's a second floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated throughout. Start our video tour when you walk in the front entrance here. New flooring throughout, high ceilings, fresh paint, big windows with plenty of natural light. Got your living area here. Windows, got a picture window between the living room and kitchen. Kitchen area, lots of countertop and cabinet space, ceiling fan, undermount sink. That's your front entrance there to my right. Right there to the left of the sink is the bathroom. Got your stove, pantry closet, refrigerator. We'll go left to right here. Bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen or a king set. Bedroom number 2 right next to it. Big enough for a queen set. Go on the other side. Big enough for a queen set there. And then you get the bathroom. Large vanity. Toilet and shower tub. You got built-in shelving here in the corner. I'd like to apply for 76 Turner Street, Unit 2, Attleboro, Massachusetts. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.